Welcome to the second Magene International Cycling E-Racing. This year competition is between the Philippines and China. I'm Lawrence and I'll be hosting for tonight. Alright, so we're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is gonna be a full throttle race from beginning all the way to the end. Ang difference ng indoor race na to compared sa outdoor race is the shorter the indoor race, the more painful it is.
Successful tayo dito sa ginating indoor e-racing dito sa Spark Hubs. Congratulations to 7-Eleven team sa pinakita nilang lakas sa kanilang pagbabike. Suporta tayo sa mga local cyclists and local SPN cycle page.
Dito sa Spark Hub, we do power-based indoor cycling that's fit for all ages. Besides sa mga pro riders natin, nagtitrain din kami ng mga triathletes, duathletes, and yung mga fitness enthusiasts.
Thank you so much again, Spark Hub. Thank you very much, SPN Cycle PH, Coach Ben of Craft Cycling, and of course, thank you very much, Magene, Team Bros Magene China. Thank you so much, and sa Team 7-Eleven. So medyo kinapos tayo ng 1 point. Fortunately, 1 point lang lamang sa atin. Maybe next time makabawi tayo. Thank you everyone for watching this Lawrence Map TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.